Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency. Argentina government excluded crypto investors from buying dollars. The Argentina Central Bank has issued a new set of restrictions that are affecting citizens and companies that have purchased cryptocurrency to us. It has a hedge against currency devaluation. The bank will only sell dollars at an official rate to individuals and companies that have not purchased crypto for at least 19 days prior to the operation, with the objective of curbing the rise in the exchange rate. Argentina crypto users excluded from buying dollars in official markets. The Argentina government is trying to stop the exchange that the exchange rate of the bullion dollar, the price of the US dollar in informal markets in the country, has hit since some weeks ago. The Argentina Central Bank has issued a resolution that excludes companies and individuals that have processed cryptocurrencies from cashing dollars at the official rate. The communication identified with the number 7552 declares that the crash to the official dollars markets will be open to individuals and companies that have not delivered funds in local currency or other local assets to any human or legal person residing or not resident, related or not receiving as part of subsequent consideration, generally or indirectly by itself, or through a related, controlled, or countering entity against crypto asset or securities deposited abroad. This restriction will have to be fulfilled in 90 days prior to the purchase of dollar in the official market. Choosing the local and local region. According to local sources, the new set of restrictions will be decreased to close the loophole that some organizations as by leveraging the exchange control channels to benefit the malfeasance, forcing dollars at an official rate, and then using this to buy cryptocurrencies to exchange them at a higher rate. The Argentina Central Bank also introduced new restrictions that prevents buyers of the dollar to purchase any cryptocurrency in the 19 days after the operation to avoid the situation described. Guys, thank you very much. Maybe just this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.